Hello friends, in my previous video I have given you NCERT in-text solution of page number 107 for chapter 8. Now in this video I am going to teach you solution for page number 109. So let's start today's video. There are total of 5 questions. So for question number 1, a bus starting from rest with the uniform acceleration of 0.1 meter per second square. Starting from rest means what? Initial velocity, that is denoted by u, that is 0 meter per second, having uniform acceleration. That is denoted by a, and its value is 0.1 meter per second square. It means starting from rest, it increase its velocity for 2 minutes. It means time t, that is equal to time taken or time required, that is 2 minutes. Firstly, it is in meter per second square, so it must be converted in second. So multiplying it with 60, 2 into 60, that is 120 second. Now we have to find out the speed acquired and the distance traveled. First, speed acquired. Acquired means what? Final speed is to be find out. That is denoted by v. We know from first equation of motion, v is equal to u plus at. u is given to us, a and t are also provided. तो अब हम इसमें से v की वैल्यू को फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. u की क्या वैल्यू गिवन है? 0. a एक्सेलरेशन 0.1. what is t time? That is 2 minutes. 2 minutes is converted into second, that is 120 second. So multiplying it with 120, so it is 12 meter per second. So final speed is 12 meter per second. Now in second part we have to find out the distance traveled, and distance traveled is denoted by s, and it can be find out using second equation of motion. What is second equation of motion? Assess yourself, check yourself कि आपको लर्न हुई है या नहीं. It is s is equal to ut plus half a t square. आपको u t a सब गिवन है, आपको डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट करना है, तो आप सेकेंड इक्वेशन को अप्लाई करेंगे. u is 0, टाइम इज 120 plus half. What is a? a is 0.1, time 120 into 120. Now we have to solve so as to find out solution. 0 into something will be 0, so the result is half 0.1, 1 by 10 into 120 into 120. 0 cancel with 0, 2 1s are 2 6s are. So we have to multiply 120 into 6, that is 720 meter. So distance traveled is 720 meter. It is the solution for question number 1, page number 109. Now question number 2. The statement is a train is traveling at a speed of 90 km per hour. Traveling means what? Initial speed, that is denoted by u. Its value is 90 किलोमीटर पर आवर. किलोमीटर पर आवर को मीटर पर सेकेंड में बदलने के लिए we multiply it by 5 by 18. 18 1s are 18 5s are 5 5s are 25. So it is now in मीटर पर सेकेंड. ये हमारी स्पीड की, क्योंकि SI यूनिट है तो हम इसे मीटर पर सेकेंड में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. आफ्टर दिस ब्रेक्स आर अप्लाइड. बताएं क्या होता है जब ब्रेक्स अप्लाई होती है? स्पीड इंक्रीज होती है या डिक्रीज? डिक्रीज होती है. जब स्पीड डिक्रीज होती है तो एक्सेलरेशन नेगेटिव है। तो इसने कहा ब्रेक्स अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, तो जब ब्रेक्स अप्लाई हो रही हैं एक्सेलरेशन गिवन है, एक्सेलरेशन का सिंबल है ए और इसकी वैल्यू है दैट इज प्रोवाइडेड गिवन -0.5 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर। व्हाट इज टू बी फाइंड आउट? वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल। अगर इसकी कुछ इनिशियल स्पीड है, ब्रेक्स अप्लाई कर रही हैं और फाइनली ये किस में आ जाएगी? रेस्ट में। बिफोर कमिंग टू रेस्ट, यू हमें गिवन है बिफोर कमिंग टू रेस्ट इसने कितना डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल किया है, दैट इज टू बी फाइंड आउट। फाइनल स्पीड इज 0 मीटर पर सेकेंड। वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड। Distance traveled, how it can be find out? It is denoted by S. V, U and A. जब V, U, A given हो तब distance निकालना हो, वो use third equation of motion. And when U, A, T given हो तब हम use करते हैं second equation of motion. Here in this numerical V, U and A given है और हमें S find out करना है, then we will apply third equation of motion. So what is third equation of motion? V square minus U square equal to AS. S find out करना है. What is V square? V square is 0 square, that is 0. What is U square? That is 25 square. 2 into A. Acceleration is minus 0.5. What is S? S is to be find out. So keeping it here, 25 square, 25 into 25 minus 625 is equal to 2 into minus 0.5. 0.5 means 5 by 10 into S, but with minus sign. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 2 cancel with 2. Minus cancel with minus. So S will be equal to 625 meter. That's why ये ट्रेन रेस्ट में आने से पहले 625 मीटर का डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल करती है. इट इज़ द सॉल्यूशन फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट सॉल्विंग नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. A trolley while going down an inclined plane, that let it is an inclined plane. When a trolley is going down, it has an acceleration of 2 meter per second. So what is given to us? Acceleration, and it is denoted by symbol A. Its value is 2 meter per second square. Starting from rest. When starting from rest, it means initial speed, that is U, 0 meter per second. We have to find out its velocity, final velocity after time t. Time taken, that is denoted by t, 3 seconds. We have to find out its final speed v equals question mark. You have done the same in previous numericals. जब आपको फाइनल वेलोसिटी फाइंड आउट करनी हो, u a t गिवन है, फाइनल वेलोसिटी फाइंड आउट करनी हो तो you will apply first equation of motion. What is first equation of motion? V equals U plus AT. What is the value of U? U is 0. A, acceleration. What is the acceleration? 2. 0 plus 2. What is the time taken? 3. 2 3s are 6. So 0 plus 6. So final velocity is 6 meter per second. Students, इस यूनिट को मेंशन करना नहीं भूलना और ध्यान रखना है आप किस क्वांटिटी की यूनिट पुट कर रहे हैं. अगर वेलोसिटी है या स्पीड है तो मीटर पर सेकेंड. अभी मैं आपको आगे और भी गाइड करूंगी. नेक्स्ट है क्वेश्चन question number 4, that is a question number 3. Question number 4, a racing car has a uniform acceleration of 4 meter per second square. Uniform acceleration, that is equal to, denoted by A, value is 4 meter per second square. What distance will it cover? Distance travelled is to be find out. What distance will it cover? Yeah, distance travelled, S is to be find out. After starting means what? Starting from rest. Initial speed or initial velocity denoted by U, 0 meter per second. After starting in 10 seconds, time taken, that T is equal to 10 seconds. You can reverse your numericals and you have learned that when U, A, T is given and you want to find out the value of S, then second equation of motion is used. So what is second equation of motion? That is equal to S is equal to ut plus half at square. What is U? Starting from rest means initial velocity 0, 0 into time 10 plus half acceleration A. A is 4 meter per second square. Time square, time is 10 again, so it will be 10 square. 0 into something will be 0. So half into 4 into 100. 4 into 100, 400. 400 by 2, 200. So answer is 200 meter. It is not speed or velocity, it is distance. Distance is in meter. So its answer is 200 meter. Now last question, that is question number 5. A stone is thrown in vertical upward direction with a velocity of 5 meter per second. It means a stone is thrown in vertical upward direction with a velocity of 5 meter per second. If the acceleration of the stone during its up motion is 10 meter per second square in downward and downward acceleration is 10 meter per second square, what will be the upward acceleration? Because downward acceleration is given to be 10 meter per second square. So what will be the value for upward acceleration? It will be minus 10 meter per second square. So initial speed, that is given to be 5 meter per second. Upward acceleration, downward acceleration is given 10 meter per second square. So upward acceleration will be minus 10 meter per second square. We have to find out up to which height it will attain. It means height. We may call it maximum height. That is S or H, that is to be find out, and how much time will it take to reach? Time taken, T is to be find out. जब कोई ऑब्जेक्ट अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में जाता है तो एक्सेलरेशन नेगेटिव लगती है, स्पीड डिक्रीज करती है, डिक्रीज करते करते ये ज़ीरो होती है. 5 मीटर पर सेकेंड से 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. जब ये इसकी फाइनल वेलोसिटी ज़ीरो हो जाती है, स्टार्टिंग इनिशियल वेलोसिटी तो हमें क्या दी हुई है 5 मीटर पर सेकेंड, जब इसकी फाइनल वेलोसिटी ज़ीरो हो जाती है उस केस में ये इसकी मैक्सिमम हाइट हो जाती है. इट मीन्स आपको इनिशियल वेलोसिटी, फाइनल वेलोसिटी और एक्सेलरेशन गिवन है. इनिशियल वेलोसिटी और फाइनल वेलोसिटी अभी मैंने आपको बताया है, जब ये ऊपर जाएगी तो फाइनल वेलोसिटी रिड्यूस करते करते 0 हो जाएगी। फाइनल वेलोसिटी दी है, एक्सेलरेशन दी है, आपको हाइट और टाइम निकालना है। तो कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? फर्स्ट वी नो दैट फ्रॉम फर्स्ट इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन v is equal to u plus at. v equals u plus at. What is final velocity? That is 0. What is initial velocity? 5. What is acceleration? Acceleration is minus 10. And time t is to be find out. So taking 5 along left hand side, it will change into minus 5. That is equal to minus 10t. Minus cancel with minus. We have to find out the value of time. So time is equal to 5 upon 10. It is equal to 0.5. Okay. So time is equal to 0.5 second. So in half second it will reach at maximum height point where its final velocity becomes 0. सो टाइम हमने फाइंड आउट कर लिया, अब हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? हाइट, मैक्सिमम हाइट. वी कैन सोल्व इट हेयर. इनिशियल वेलोसिटी इज 5 मीटर पर सेकेंड, फाइनल वेलोसिटी इज 0 मीटर पर सेकेंड, एक्सेलरेशन इज -10 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वेयर. डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट करना है तो आप यूज करेंगे थर्ड इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन. गो बैक एंड चेक. आई हैव टोल्ड यू कि जब आपको u, v और a गिवन है और आपको डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट करना है तो फ्रॉम थर्ड इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन आप फाइंड आउट करेंगे. तो क्या है थर्ड इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन? v स्क्वेयर माइनस u स्क्वेयर इज इक्वल टू 2as. व्हाट इज v? दैट इज 0. 0 स्क्वेयर इट विल बी 0. u इज 5. 5 square that will be equal to 25. Now 2 into a. What is acceleration? Minus 10 into s. ये s हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में है -25. 2 10s are 20. It is -20s. s माइनस कैंसल विद माइनस, s फाइंड आउट करना है. s will be is equal to, s को यहीं रखो, 25 अपॉन में 20 हो जाएगा. तो 5 के टेबल में कैंसल आउट करेंगे. 5 4s are 5 5s are. So it will be 5/4. It is 1.25 meter. So before coming to rest or at maximum height, it had covered a distance of 1.25 meter. That is the 5th B and it was 5th A. So in this way we had completed our NCERT in-text solution. So in my next video, I will teach you the remaining question of exercise. So be with me in next video. Till then, goodbye.